Hello and welcome to another ACY Securities daily report video. My name is Alistair Schultz and I'm going to be host through today's trading journey. Now, something else that's come across my desk today that I thought was worthy of a video was about VW. I've been a long-time supporter of German automotive manufacturers as a bit of a German car enthusiast myself. And of course, VW has always been on a bit of my radar. In fact, right now I actually drive a Golf R. So, looking at VW, they have been moving towards the EV revolution. And this is something that's quite interesting to me because Volkswagen is now Germany's most valuable company. And they have been able to outrank above the tech companies or even the financial companies. They are literally the most valuable company in Germany and probably going to be included into a couple of other indexes in the near term. Now, currently, pref shares have risen 11%, but so far this year, we have seen them rise about 80%. So that is some pretty interesting prices that have moved up. Obviously, we've got some good results coming out for VW, and it's been coming from a bit of an interesting area. Right now, currently, the value of the company is at $166 billion US, putting them at the forefront of the automotive chains around the globe. Now, looking at what's gone on, how have they managed to get this far above? The idea is VW has basically taken the Elon Musk approach. They are basically mimicking what the Techno King is doing with Tesla. And so we're seeing that they're having big events. They're doing direct communication from the CEO, quite readily available through sources like Twitter. And of course, retail investors are really taking heed on this. They're lapping it up. They love that sort of action. And they're seeing that obviously VW is pushing very hard into the EV market. Now, we've already got forecasts that suggest that VW is aiming to have 50% of all sales be EV by 2030 or the end of the decade. Now, so far, obviously, like I said before, the VW is up 80% for 2021 already. But in addition to all of that, they're also moving into the technology space. They are actually setting up factories for batteries, factory for EV development and research and development. So all of that is going to continue to play out over the next years with probably more ramping up to going on. Now, at this stage, it looks like VW will eventually become one of the leading competitors to Tesla, if they aren't already, particularly in Europe, just because of the low cost of entry to an EV market with VW compared to what it is for a Tesla. So something to consider in the moving forward, and obviously something to now start thinking about. When you think about Tesla, you should start thinking about VW as well. Now, if you have any questions from today's video, please feel free to shoot me a message at any of my social media channels, and don't forget to like and subscribe to this video so you can get more great content from me and ACY Securities in the future. Have a great trading day ahead.